Hi, my name is Viviana Correa. I am talk about social media in training us to compare our life instead of appreciating everything we are. No wonder why everyone is always the price on the effects negatives. One question: do you believe we compare ourselves to others on social media? Yes, mainly to the boys and young boys. What are they developing their personality while then adults are much stronger apparently? The people compares with influencer especially they win a lot of money without effortless. I am no influencer. Why not I don't follow them? My husband, if you follow many and it is the price why they no work and have many money and he work and do not have money like them for the travel and to buy money things. Two questions. Do you think the information displayed on social media inspired our action? Yes, by the challenges in the social media. The trends inspires the people to dress, speak, listen to same music, act like them the influencer. Also, many the news are false and the people not investigate. Yes, it is a fountain trustworthy and copy all it see. Three questions. Can social media affect our mental health? Yes, no, and why? Yes, the present is an illness health very serious because social media we compare our life with others. Many people commit suicide because they don't know find sense to their lives. Instead of appreciating the lives, the beauty of the lives that is that despite the our problem and difficulties always were a solution. What is why if you feel depressed, seek help and don't do all the see do you see. The most the content is false. Thank you.